Our journey takes us deep into the blue Adriatic and to the island of Vis. Vis is the furthest populated island from the coastline. 7 kilometers long and 8 kilometers wide, it's also one of the smallest. Vis has only 2 towns, but has countless secluded coves and beaches. For a long time, it served as a military base. It's only been open to tourism since 1995 and counts as an insider's tip. People, mainly fishermen and farmers, have been living on the island since the 3rd century BC. 20 years ago, agriculture was still the main source of income for the islanders. Olives, wine and fruit from Vis was widely renowned for its quality. Fishing is still important, but many people have now given up farming. Velimir Mratinic is breathing new agricultural life into the island. He returned after finishing his studies and has taken over his parents' farm. He soon realized that he'd need something special to allow farming to sustain his family. So, for the last 10 years, he's only been producing the fig bread viski, a local delicacy made from dried figs, Mediterranean herbs and schnapps, made according to an old family recipe. For the desiccation, we pick fruits that are already half dried. You can see the figs start to dry on the tree. Those fruits are best for dried fruit. They give the best quality. They're as sweet as honey. That's the real quality. Velimir was the first to farm organically on the island. A further 15 small farmers are following his example. Sadly, though, in spite of Velimir's positive experience, many of the fields on the island still lie fallow. For me, it was always clear what I'd be doing one day. I loved farming, and I still do. I make an effort so that my children like it too. I want to show them and others that the work is worth it. It's not just enjoyable, but also has to be profitable. Only then can you continue. Wild fennel has spread itself across the idle fields. Its aromatic seeds ensure the special scent of fig bread from Vis. The family help out on the field as often as possible. Velimir and his wife, Vesmer, feel it's important for the children to get to know the work early and develop their appreciation of nature.
Sometimes it's a help, but it's really so that they get an impression of what they have to do when they're older. We want to teach them working habits. And aside from that, every little helps.
After a long day in the field, it's time to go back home. When Vis opened its doors to tourism, many of the islanders gave up farming. Some regret it. Tourism alone, especially as most of them are sailing tourists, doesn't offer enough income to support everyone on the island. The fig bread is prepared by hand in Velimir's home. The dried figs are ground and stirred to a sticky dough with the herbs and local spirit.
We make the fig bread the old, traditional way. This is how people used to preserve figs for long periods of time. The tighter the consistency and the larger the individual cake, the longer the figs are dried out, and the longer they can be enjoyed.
The flat cakes are dried once again before they are wrapped in bay leaf and rosemary and sold to delicatessens all over Croatia. The hib used to be food for poor people as well as a delicacy at the tables of the rich. You ate the first hib of the year at Christmas and it lasted throughout the year. One would give it to guests and friends who came to visit. One would also give a small triangle for school lunch. Figs and hib are very nutritious and were an important source of energy for poor families in bad times.